President Ramaphosa has got the interest in this case of Senzo, because he wants to be seen that his Minister of Police, Ngeke, his Minister of Justice, Ronald Lamola, are doing the job. See? Well, in fact, they are not doing the job. My president is to expose the cabinet of Ramaphosa, or the government of Ramaphosa, or administration of Ramaphosa. And so that's why I've been victimized. So now, President Roland Sutherland is complaining about me on behalf of Msimeki. Well, Msimeki on his, by himself is really, I did act in a manner that was unbecoming, or I've been contemptuous in his court. He could have reported me at LPC himself, not somebody act on behalf of him. But there's a reason why Deputy Judge President acted on behalf of Mr. Msimeki. Is because Msimeki could not, I even told him, you couldn't report me to LPC. Now the LPC, or the so-called LPC, but I know that it's not LPC, it's a certain individual who pretended to be acting on behalf of the LPC. And they want that perception to continue in the public, that why should I be discriminated myself? If I brought the application of variation to stay the judgment, why should I still be called a strap of the rope advocate?
Uyingenza ukuthi ngethemba ukuthi naphila kuzonke indawo la kuzofika khona le video kama ngumsize aka Inkosi Admin. Mawuqalela le channel qinisekisa ukuthi nize subscribe uzowathola zonke izinto engiyiposta kuyona ke le channel. Zinjalo ke uyinganza kwethu izinto ke eshiwo ke Adv Teffo kuyo ke le case ka Senzo Meyiwa. Mina ngifisa ukuthi ngizovula khona umbono wakhe hlanga phakathi kwi comment section.